Drive more quickly.
Take your time.
Do you have a novel?
Yes, I do.
Who is his friend?
He's a colleague from work.
What's for dinner?
How about spaghetti?
Can I use a debit card?
Sorry, we only accept cash.
Tell me your order.
I'd like a hot dog and fries.
How's the weather today?
It's clear and sunny.
I assisted with the cooking.
She did the dishes.
Please hurry up.
Don't rush. Take your time.
I've heard a lot about you.
What have you heard?
How long will you stay there?
For about 2 weeks.
Do you see her regularly?
We meet for coffee once a week.
My parents are supportive of my career.
That's wonderful news.
I can run fast.
I prefer swimming to running.
Can someone pick up my mail?
I can do it.
Shall we go to the park?
I'm not in the mood.
Do you often stay up late?
Only on weekends.
Is it far from here?
No, it's a short drive.
Do you prefer apples or oranges?
I prefer oranges.
How long to fix the car?
It might take a couple of hours.
Are you John's sibling?
No, I'm not.
What sports do you enjoy?
I like tennis and baseball.
I'm anxious about the exam.
It's normal to feel that way.
How's the meal?
It's excellent.
I'm in charge of this task.
Don't worry about it.
Where are we dining?
We're going to Maria's house.
What day is it today?
Today is Wednesday.
I lost my wallet today.
I'm really sorry to hear that.
Do you like painting?
Yes, I enjoy it a lot.
Would you like a drink?
A glass of water, please.
I found a key in the drawer.
Are you serious?
Did you have a good night's sleep?
No, I had trouble sleeping.
Were you at the office last night?
Yes, I was working late.
Aren't they guests?
I'm not sure.
Can I get anything else for you?
A piece of cake, please.
Does she have a blue pen?
Yes, she does.
The play was incredible.
I'm glad you liked it.
How much is the ticket?
It's $20.
Where do you come from?
I'm from France.
Do you have time to chat?
I'm available now.
No, I couldn't get any rest.
Did you sleep well?
What's your view?
I mostly agree with you.
What are you currently doing?
I'm working on a project.
I have a suggestion.
Please share it with us.
Are you free on Sunday?
Sorry, I have plans.
I want to study abroad.
Which country are you interested in?
Who are you writing to?
I'm writing to my cousin.
What's your favorite genre?
I enjoy classical music.
Why is it so warm?
The heater is on high.
Do you need to care for your pets?
No, they're being looked after.
When did you first meet them?
At the conference last month.
Please complete it quickly.
Quality takes time.
My dog passed away recently.
I'm so sorry for your loss.
Why did you split up?
We had different goals.
Is that a magazine?
No, it isn't.
Would you like a beverage?
Yes, could I have a coffee?
What are these?
Those are magazines.
I have a backache.
You should rest a bit.
Could you show me your ID?
Certainly, here it is.
Are you a newcomer?
Yes, I'm new here.
How are the twins doing?
They're doing well so far.
How much is the rent?
It's $1,200 per month.
How much is this shirt?
It costs $30.
How much did you spend?
I spent $45.
How much do you earn?
I earn $25 an hour.
How is the coffee?
It's very strong.
What's your job?
I'm a graphic designer.
How much cash do you have?
I have $10.
What's the date today?
It's March 15th.
How much to drive to New York?
It's $50.
How old is your sister?
She's 25 years old.
Is it snowing?
No, it's clear.
What's his profession?
He's a teacher.
What does this signify?
It signifies success.
What time should we meet?
At 7 p.m.
What time is it now?
It's 3:30 p.m.
What's your shoe size?
I'm a size 9.
What's your full name?
My name is Sophia Johnson.
Where's the nearest cafe?
There's a cafe on Elm Street.
When are you arriving?
I'm arriving this evening.
When is your anniversary?
It's June 14th.
Where do you come from?
I'm from Canada.
Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Paris.
What's the weather like?
It's cloudy today.
Where does it hurt?
It hurts in my back.
When do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
How's the project going?
It's going well.
Where can I find the nearest ATM?
It's next to the library.
Where's the nearest grocery store?
It's across from the park.
Are you occupied?
Yes, I'm quite busy right now.
Is everything set?
Yes, everything is prepared.
I don't get it.
Do you understand it?
What's your activity?
I'm organizing the files.
Are you set?
Yes, I'm all set.
When will she return?
She'll return in an hour.
What's the forecast for tomorrow?
It's expected to be sunny.
Anything else you need?
No, that's all.
I'm grateful for your help.
You're welcome.
Are you saying he's improving?
Yes, exactly.
Have you visited the dentist?
Not yet.
Where did you go earlier?
I went to the library.
Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I find it very rewarding.
What dessert would you like?
I'd like some chocolate cake.
Is this your book?
Yes, it's mine.
Does this belong to you?
Yes, it does.
What's your profession?
I'm a software developer.
Can you pick up some groceries?
Certainly.
May I assist you?
Could you help me find the nearest restroom?
Here's a photo of my nephew.
He's adorable.
Do you have a larger size?
Yes, we do have larger sizes.
My brother is getting married.
That's wonderful news.
How's your brother?
He's doing great.
When's a good time for you?
I'm available on Saturday.
It's unfortunate you can't make it.
You'll have a great time without me.
Did you purchase your car?
No, I leased it.
Where do you have lunch?
I usually eat at a nearby cafe.
Do you think the train will be on time?
I hope it will be.
Do you have more affordable options?
No, these are the least expensive.
Should we bring anything?
Just bring yourself.
Do you have a good rapport with your supervisor?
Yes, I can always count on her.
She misplaced her passport.
That's unfortunate. Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!